Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Uh, this video is about Instagram marketing tool, or you can say Instagram extractor. This can be used to extract followers data of a specific page or person, and you can search followers data using hashtag, using posts. Uh, so that's how it works, and you can use it to auto follow some followers also. So you can by this you can increase your followers. So let's get into the video and I'll show you each and every function how it works. Basically, I used a normal screen recorder which is already inbuilt in this Windows computer. So it just only recorded the application screen. After finishing this, I found out. So basically, I was just moving here and there on the browser to check what are the top hashtags. So here is how to search some followers using hashtag. So this is for the first time I'm doing so. So I have searched a hashtag which was common in internet, love yourself. But I was doing a mistake because while searching the hashtag, you should not put hash as well as the term. So you need to remove the hash and you need to search for it. So over here, I just removed the hash and changed the complete word. I was just searching for love. So now our keyword is hashtag love. So after searching that, we need to click on start, and you can see the processes start at the bottom and you'll be getting the results on the top. So this is how this hashtag search hashtag function works on this software. So going ahead, I'll be showing you how to extract user followers data also. Like for example, if you here you can say you need to search using username only without you don't need to put their number or their full name. So user ID is something which is unique thing through which it extracts the data. So here I took the username from the previous search, Autolicious 24/7. So it has around 200 or 300 followers. So I searched them and we just exported it. So as you can see, while exporting the data, you will get the option to export user ID, username, full name, verified, private. So you need to just check the username only and uncheck all the remaining four functions. So once you do that, you can just save it into CSV file or you can save into text file. If you're saving only one column or category, then I would recommend to use text, or else if you want to export all details, then I would recommend to use CSV file, which is a kind of a Excel. So now you can see I have exported the users which we extracted from that Autolicious page, and here you can see I have imported them, and we'll be clicking on start, and you can see we'll be getting the data of those people, like their phone numbers, their email, their whether they are business accounts or they are private account or normal individual accounts, or their even their category also. So these kind of things are shown in this. Uh, these kind of details we get by using the usernames info function. So you can see it's just processing. So that's how it works. So now we'll be searching people who commented on a specific post. How to get a post ID, let me tell you. It can, I'm not sure about the Instagram application because still I don't have Instagram account. So I was searching for posts over the browser only. So I just got a post of the same that page, Autolicious. So got a post. So post is something when you open a specific picture after www.instagram.com/, you will be getting a specific kind of code or something, like like this, you can see here, which are pasted in the post ID. So you have to paste it over there and click on start. You will be getting those who people have liked or commented on that post. You can see, you will be able to get that data. So this can be something helpful for people who are trying to who can see, like, if for example, if you're doing some business related to some product, or let's say if you're doing some business to garments or something, so you can extract the followers of a post who are liking the pictures of some new fashion kind of thing or clothing kind of thing. So that is how it happens. So the video is not complete, but as you can see, it just recorded only this Instagram window. So I'll be sharing a new video also in future when I'll be giving a support session to any of my clients. Thank you.